X7 Max 5G. Future at full speed. Realme. Dare to leap. Realme X7 Max 5G. Future at full speed. Realme. Dare to leap.
Get 50% charged up in 16 minutes. Realme X7 Max 5G launching on 31st May. Realme Dare to Leap. Unveil the stunning Super AMOLED full screen. Realme X7 Max 5G launching on 31st May. Realme Dare to Leap. At Realme, we are driven by our desire for future speed. And speed has come a long way from where it started. Hours became minutes, and minutes turned into an instant. Still not fast enough? From 2G to 3G to 4G, we leapt from one generation to the next. But the next leap is the greatest one ever. The leap to a 5G future, where all you want is just a touch away. Reimagine lag-free gaming, streaming and downloading, all in real time. Presenting Realme X7 Max 5G with India's first Dimensity 1200 5G processor. Be 5G future ready. Realme. Dare to leap.